Hey guys, shouldn't say having a hard time making videos because it's not really hard for me to make videos, but I got so much stuff going on right now. Getting ready going for vacation, shipping some stuff out, getting a bunch of customer stuff because I told a bunch of people that I was going away on vacation, so a bunch of people brought stuff, so I'm just swamped. So bear with me if my videos are a little bit sporadic. I'm still trying to do Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Just if I don't have time, I can't finish it. I'm trying to, but just one of those things. So anyways, I got a intake. Actually, I got a little bit of welding stuff to do today. The other stuff I'm not going to bother filming because it's just Benz, Mercedes stuff. But anyways, this is an intake horn or an intake elbow, charge elbow off a turbo for an HX35 for a second gen. And I need one of these. Well, I don't need. Customer needs one of these, but it needs to be 90 degrees. Usually you can buy these in 90 degrees, but right at the moment they're on back order. So that poses an issue. So what I did was I just cut a chunk out of this on the bit with the bandsaw, so we get close to 90 degrees. It's not exact 90 degrees, but pretty close. I'm going to weld this on here, and then we'll take the die grinder and just clean up inside, inside the edge where it goes. I got a little carried away and kind of got a little chunk there, but you'll never be able to see it after I weld it. So anyways, just figured I'd show you guys. I'll weld this up and we'll do a little grindy on it, and yeah. It's just going to be, it won't be a super long video, a couple minutes long or something, but I just thought I'd give you guys something to watch so you're not hanging on the edge of your seat. I know everybody, well, I shouldn't say everybody, but I know lots of you guys are, enjoy watching the videos, so obviously try to do stuff constantly for you guys. Just sometimes it's difficult because some of the stuff I'm doing, doing office work and stuff like that, I don't think that anybody's going to want to watch that stuff. So, but that's just part of the game for me when you're running the business. It is what it is. Till we get to a certain point, then I won't have to anymore. But we're not there yet, so here we are. So, filler rod. Got this thing on, AC. That definitely ain't gonna be high enough. I will get into doing a little bit of welding, I don't know, tricks and tips and stuff. It's just it is very time consuming to do that because you have to kind of show everything, and just of late I've been so busy I just don't have time to be able to do it. So anyways, so here we are. Get this thing tacked up here. All right, guys, we got the thing all welded up. Being it's cast doesn't really weld real nice. A little bit dirty. I probably could have cleaned it a little bit better, but it'll be more than fine. All I gotta do is pour it on the inside a little bit, but I've had enough for today. It's now pretty close to 8 o'clock at night. So I'm gonna get that buffed up a little bit, and I'll take a picture of it. I'll probably post a picture of it on Instagram and on the Patreon. And just showing after I poured it or whatever. So, because I'm probably going to throw up this video tonight, I think. Just going to be a short little video, nothing special. I don't even, it might even be a short, I'm not sure yet. Anyways, like, subscribe, hit me down in the comments, and remember, it's not rocket science.